Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on HUAWEI Pura ID Pro. Okay, to create a backup, open up your settings, and maybe let's begin with cloud backup that we can create when we are logged into our HUAWEI ID. If you don't have it, you will have to create it, but don't worry, that's not the only method how we can create a backup of our data. If you are logged into your account, you can click on Cloud, and now to create a backup, simply select your device. Make sure that backup this device feature is enabled. Down below we have the backup options. In here we can select which data we would like to copy. It is right in here. If you click on Show All, you will see everything. And now to create a backup, simply hit this blue button. The process will start, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now we can see that the backup has been completed, so let's click on Done. Okay, and that's how you can create a backup using the HUAWEI Cloud. And now let's open up the settings. Let's scroll down all the way until we find System and Updates. And in here, let's click on Backup and Restore. Click on Data Backup, and in here we can create a backup using the external storage drive or the HiSuite app, which we'll have to download into our computer. Let's begin with the external storage first. So let's select that, click on Go, and now we need to give permission. So select Allow all the time for everything. Just like that. Pretty annoying, but we have to do this manually. Okay. Click on OK. And now, in my case, I'm going to use the USB storage, but if you want, you can insert your memory card and you'll also be able to back up the data. Okay, so now I will plug my USB. Okay. It should appear. Okay, I'll select USB storage. Now to create a backup, simply hit the button and now verify with your passwords. Okay, and now you can select which data you would like to copy. In my case, I want everything except the apps. Once you have selected everything, click on Backup. And now you need to type a password as an extra security feature, and it must be from 8 to 32 characters and contain a mix of numbers, uppercase letters and lowercase letters. In my case, I will create a really easy password. Okay, then click on Next. Now the hint for the password. Click on Done. And now the process has started. In my case, it won't take long. We already have 95%. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, backup complete. Click on Done. And now our backup has been successfully saved. Okay, now let's go to the HiSuite. Now I will open up my browser. I'll show you how to install the app and what to do next. So I'll see you on my desktop. Okay, so first let's open up our browser. You need to type in a new card HUAWEI Suite, then open up the official page, and in here we can download or for Windows or for Mac. It's up to you. I'll select the Windows. Okay, it has downloaded, so let's open it up. We need to agree. Click on Install. In my case, it's in Polish language, but don't worry, I will translate everything for you, so you will do everything right. Okay. We need to wait a little bit until it's fully installed. Alright, it has been installed. Now we need to connect our phone into our PC using USB-C cable. PC or laptop, I don't know what you are using. Okay, once we have connected, oh, it has launched in both apps. Weird thing. Okay, now on our phone we need to open up the bar, select charging via USB, and select transfer files. Okay, I don't know why it keeps launching the second app. You can see that question allow connection via HDB appeared. We need to click on OK. And now the app says that the HiSuite app will be downloaded on our phone. Click on OK. Now on your phone, click on Agree. Click on Agree once again. Now allow for everything. And now we need to type this code in our app. So that's what I will do. Okay, click on Connect. Okay, and now to create a backup, click on Copy. Click on Allow on your device. Type your lock screen if you have one. Click on OK. Click on Copy. And now select what things you want to backup. So I will select everything except my apps. Click on Copy. Now we need to select a password. And it also needs to have from 8 to 32 characters long and contains uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Click on OK. And now the process has started, so I'll see you once it's done. Okay, it has been created, so click on Ready. And now our backup is stored on our PC in HiSuite app. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.